I was out at a place called Long Woman's Grave, just over the border in Southern Ireland, at what's called the Cooley Mountains, or Cooley Peninsula. But anyway, it's on the far side of Carlingford Lough. It's a mountain range that overlooks Carlingford Lough, and on the opposite side is the mountains of Mourne. I decided I would fly the Flip because I haven't flown it that much, and it hasn't really got or had a decent run out. So I was coming across, taking a scenic video, looking across Carlingford Lough from the edge of the mountain that I was flying on, over Carlingford Lough to the mountains of Mourne and Warren Point and the mountains of Mourne. So I went out on the 12th, on the 13th and on the 14th, and I put the R3S up looking for it, couldn't find it. Looking at the video, I found it. It was still lying there, apparently where it had crashed. Today's Wednesday, so yesterday I checked that everything was working. I started it, I lifted it up in the living room, I just flew it around a little bit and checked that everything was okay, the camera was okay, the gimbal was working fine. So landed it, put it away, and now I'm going to bring it out, I'm going to fly it, and I'm just going to show you how good it really is. Back in its box, safe and sound, where it should have been all that time. It was stuck up in that mountain. But yeah, there's the controller I don't use. well, I do use, I'm not certain if I use, but I have a little tablet and an adapter thing, so yeah, that works good. Guys is the RC2, so just looking forward to getting this RC2 Pro sometime. I have to save a bit to get the Mavic 4 Pro, to get the full kit. Just see, banging it in bits and pieces. I've done that with something. I remember what it was. I bought, was it the, no, it wasn't the Earth3S. I bought that all in one go. The full kit, the full combo, and then I got the DGI insurance as well, the 2-year thing. That was for a bit of cash as well. Hopefully I never have to use it. But it's the same with this. I had this on a 2-year cover, but I was determined to find it because I knew it was on them. It was on that mountain somewhere, so it was just a matter of finding exactly where it was, and then having to go and get it. So it's in its case. It's safe and sound, and it works as good as it ever worked.